In this video, we are going to add the name of our client and the contact information. So let me just quickly grab the name. Oh, I think it's on the locked layer. So let me just quickly unlock it. So I'm going to grab all these pieces of information, copy them, lock the layer back again, and go to the business card layer, and I'm simply going to paste it somewhere here. Now, I think that for the consistency's sake, we should use the same font as is being used for the tagline. And I think I would go for the, well, at least in this design, I would go with the sans serif font. And our font was called Latin, if you can remember that. If not, you know it now. So I'm going to go with maybe bold version this time. I'm going to go to the character option and I'm going to set it to all caps, just like so. And I am going to increase the font size. I'm holding down the shift key, by the way, to 10. I think 10 was better. To 10 points, just like so. And I am going to make it gray, just like that. Let me just print these guys maybe a bit down. And this time, well, right now I want to add the title of our client. So this time I'm simply going to clone it down. So I'm holding down the Shift and the Alt keys together, just like so. And I'm simply going to type in owner, just like that. And I'm going to make it significantly smaller to 6 points. 6 points should be fine. Now I'm going to move it to the center, just like so, maybe just a bit up. And now I'm going to simply underline the name of our client. So I'm going to grab the line segment tool and I'm going to create a line that is going to stretch something like that. And I'm going to give it a green stroke of 1 point. I think 1 point should be fine. Now, how can be sure that both the name and the owner are aligned or maybe even distributed properly in relation to this line? Well, honestly, if we just grab all these guys and just hit the distribute, vertical distribute center, making sure that we are aligning everything to selection, you may think that we are good to go. But let me tell you that very often when you are aligning live font, you may be, well, not aligning everything properly. So what we are essentially doing right now is we are aligning all the elements in relation not to the text itself, but to its bounding box. So what we need to do is we need to select the text, both the name and the title, go to the Effect option, Path, Outline Object. And now Illustrator is actually considering the Jane Johnson and the owner texts as they are converted into outlines, but they are not. They are still editable live font. And now if I select all these guys, and now if I distribute them horizontally, you can see that there was a really slight, very slight movement. Maybe let me just show you this again. There's a very slight movement with our line, of this line right here. So now we can be absolutely sure that the distances are accurate. All we need to do right now is to simply select both these all these guys, make sure that we are aligning everything to the artboard, just like so, and I'm going to align everything horizontally to the center, just like so. So now I will apply the outline object effect to this contact information and to this address text. So I'm going to go to the effect menu, apply outline object, and I'm going to change the fill color to the green color, just like so. And maybe I'm going to bring this guy just a bit down, just a bit up. And now I'm going to select both these guys, and again I'm going to align them horizontally to the center, just like so. And I'm going to bring these guys up maybe to somewhere here. Let's leave it like that. Leave it like that for now. We are going to distribute everything properly after actually we are done with the green stripe here on the bottom, which actually will be something that we are going to do in the next video.